Friends, today we will take sentence reordering, that is an important part of grammar section. As you know, if you will write correctly, then you can get full marks in it. So today we will take sentence reordering. There are some rules for this. What is sentence reordering? To make words and phrases, to arrange words and phrases in the correct order is called sentence reordering. Now you can see one sentence, best my is Seema friend. Student, can you say this is a sentence? No, because we are unable to know what is its meaning. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which has meaningful sense. As we can say, Seema is my best friend. So students, you have seen in this, Seema is subject, is verb, and my best friend is object. So when we make a sentence, we keep in our mind, first of all we will write subject, then verb, then object. In short, we can say SVO. Now see, work and play, things different, parents CS2. What would be? Parents see work and play as two different things. Now see, next sentence is a of time they waste think that playing. Now what is subject? They think that playing is a waste of time. Next is important games studies are as. Games are as important as studies. Next is a student to both proper should attention pay. Now we are talking about a student should pay proper attention to both. Next is can life only succeed he in then. Only then can he succeed in life. Next is enemy he acts as his own. He acts as his own enemy. Next is without time any stop on flows. Time flows on without any stop. Things, this is why changing always are. What would be? This is why things are always changing. Next is change, in fact, law of nature, the is. In fact, change is the law of nature. Next, thoughts are age to age. Thoughts are age to age and changing ideas from men's. What would be? What would be? Men's thoughts and ideas are changing from age to age. Next is must accept the in time change one. One must accept the change in time. So students, you are able to see it. These are the words. These are the sentences. Games are as important as studies. A student should pay proper attention to both. Only then can he succeed in life. He acts as his own enemy. Time flows on without any stop. Yes. Time flows on without any stop. This is why things are always changing. In fact, change is the law of nature. One must accept the challenge in time. So, students, you are able to understand this.